Good morning. Today will be an awesome day.
What a start to a celebration. So I want to thank you all for being here for the grand opening of Serenity at Liberty Square. If I could just reintroduce myself again, Guillermo Maison from the Related Urban Development Group, and we're grateful to have you all here.
Father, we pray
And opening up the ceremony with a prayer reminds us what we're all doing here today. This is bigger than us. This is about purpose, about people, and about progress. When Miami-Dade County selected Related Urban for the revitalization of Liberty Square, we gave the county and these residents our word. Our word that regardless of challenges, regardless of a pandemic, and regardless of who's in the White House, that we were gonna see this project through. And most importantly, we gave our word to the Liberty Square residents that they would be provided new homes. And as of today, all of the Liberty Square families that chose to remain on site are now living in new homes.
Liberty Square was the first public housing project for African Americans in the entire southern United States. And here it is, reborn. So let's give that a big round.
This is a day of promises made and promises kept to this community. This redevelopment shows what you can accomplish when you try to just listen and share ideas and talk about what it is that people want to accomplish. One of the things that I wanted to showcase, and Mr. Secretary, you know, I know that Liberty Square is going to be the national model for public housing redevelopment in the United States of America.
You know, I'm almost speechless, and I'm a preacher, and preachers are never speechless, but I am, because it's almost overwhelming to be here. The whole team from Related Urban, what a blessing you guys are to the community. You truly fulfill the call that you've been called to, so let's give them a hand.